Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this quick and easy video, I am going to show you how to print from Silhouette Studio, my favorite design software, to my Brother fabric printer, which is the Brother Printmoda. Now, this printer can print not only on fabric, but it can also print on paper. So being able to print from Silhouette Studio has a dual function, and I love it. Now, here's the trick. Silhouette Studio can actually print to any printer on your network or that you can plug into. So this really applies for any, but we are going to be specific. If you hear me say Printmoda today, that's why I'm talking about this. All right, let's get started in Silhouette Studio so I can show you all of the settings, page setup, and all of the file print page setup that you need to know. All right, so here we are starting in Silhouette Studio, and I love using Studio because it is just a design software, but you can print to any printer on your network. And you're gonna see here in a minute that I have printers from a white toner printer that I print to, a laser printer that I print to, all of my, like the Printmoda, obviously, my sublimation printer. So it's a really good program to use for that. So this is Silhouette Studio set up. This actually was a sticker set. You can see that I've turned it into a pattern. I'll do a separate video or a blog post on how to do that. But I have it here in Silhouette Studio, and it is basically ready to print. Now, what you're gonna do first, once you have it in here, you could also pull in a set up pattern or whatever you want. You don't have to set it up yourself. Okay, so you're gonna go to File and you're gonna go to Print Page Setup, and what that's going to do is open up your page setup for your printer. Now, I have a Mac, so if you're on a PC, it might look a little bit different. As long as you have the drivers for the Printmoda installed, you will see these options, okay? And if you don't have them installed, go back to my setup video so that you can get all the software and everything set up for your Printmoda before you attempt to print. Okay, so format, so I don't like it when it says any printer. I want to put my specific printer, and you can see, here's all my printers. Okay, so the Printmoda is this one up here at the top, Brother HL. So I'm gonna select that, and then you have paper size. So this is totally up to you, but you can print on a roll. Now it's always going to be a max of 11.69 inches wide, but you can print the roll even longer. Now I will tell you, if your design is only like 8 by 11 and you have your page setups to print on a roll that's 20 inches, you're gonna end up wasting a bunch of roll material. So try to make the paper size similar in size to what you're actually doing. So for that reason, I'm going to pick this one here that says 11 by 6, 11.69 by 877. That's as close as I can pretty much get, okay? And then I'm gonna click OK. Now what that does is it just sets, see this area here? That's what that's set, but I wanna confirm that. So I go into page setup, and here where it says media size, now this is where I'm going to select printer. You do not wanna put the custom size or anything like that. As long as you did that page setup, printer setup, when you click printer here, it is going to pull the settings that you selected. So now I can actually enlarge my image a little bit, make sure that it prints. Okay, so now I'm basically ready to print, okay? And I'm gonna go to File again, and this time instead of Print Page Setup, I'm gonna click Print. So again, if you do not have your drivers set up for your Brother Printmoda, they are not going to be here. So select your Brother Printmoda, and what you're gonna have are these options down here. Now these, I say this about every printer, and I say it in every video about printing, never take the default, okay? Even if you end up taking them, you at least want to go through and make sure that they are what you want. So see these little like arrows or carrots here, they expand. So select them. Again, you never wanna take the default or auto. You wanna tell it what you're doing. So for this case, we're gonna say that we want it to print from roll 2. So roll 2 is the roll that is in tray 2. Paper, you wanna tell it, are you printing on fabric or paper? Now, I just picked Brother BP. To be honest with you, you can put fabric if you want, but I think that this one works best. And then quality, again, if you want more ink to lay down, click best. If you're normal, and if you're just doing this as like a mock-up or something like that, you can select draft. I'm gonna keep it at normal. Same thing, we're gonna go through these other ones. Layout, is there anything here that you need to change? I do not, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Anything in this next one? Again, a lot of this part is just ensuring that the selections are what you want. Do you want a watermark on there? I definitely do not want that. Finishing option. This is going to give you more options. So output bin, like you can tell it what you want to do. I'm just going to leave it how it was. And then printer info is basically the utility, and it is going to tell you, you know, what the model name is. If you're looking for that on your network, it's going to tell you how much ink you have left and so forth. Now, at this point, you are ready to print. So mine is currently in standby mode, and it's telling me the paper tray is empty, but I'm not even printing on paper, so I'm not going to worry about that. So when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and click print. And that's literally it. Your printer will begin printing. Again, whether it's the Printmoda or you're printing to your sublimation printer, as long as you have the drivers for that printer installed on your computer, your print page setup will be able to find the printer, and not only the printer, but the options for the printer. So this printer itself, as I said, fabric printer, it can do so much. I'm literally just amazed at the amount of things, the ideas that are coming to me about what can be done with this. But I have other tutorials on not only how to set up, but how to use it, first prints, examples and ideas of things you can do. And I got to tell you, the possibilities with this one being able to print on fabric at home are really endless. All right, guys, the description below has everything you need, including links to the Printmoda if you're looking for help with Silhouette Studio. I have free blog posts, other free videos. If you're looking for personalized help, I do offer that as well through Silhouette U, including same-day support and live chat support with me as well. So you will find the links to all of that, including Silhouette U, in the description below.